Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I got this curly ponytail using flexi rods. It's a perfect hairstyle for spring or summer. So yeah, and it's super easy, so let's just jump right into it. So I'm starting on stretched hair, and I have a video that I just posted out showing you guys how I stretch my hair, so go check that out if you want to see how I got this. But anyways, I'm just slicking my hair back into a ponytail using a soft bristle brush. And then I'm just going to use my hairband to help me put that in a ponytail. So next I'm just taking a comb just to help me lay down, my hair, because clearly it was just looking a bit jacked up. So that's what I'm doing here. And then the back section of my hair, which is the main part, what I'm doing is I'm just going to section off the hair that I'm going to work with and clip the hair that I'm not using away. And then I'm using this Eco Style gel, this black castor olive oil gel. This is the gold gel from Eco Style. And I'm taking a dime size amount and then wrapping that into the section that I've separated. And then I take my flexi rod and I'm wrapping my flexi rod from the top. And I tried this doing it at the bottom, it didn't come out well. So you want to start the flexi rod from the top and spiral your hair around the flexi rod. Make sure you fold the flexi rod at the top and the bottom so the flexi rod locks in place. So you just want to continue to doing the same thing. I'm applying the gel and then I'm just going to go in with my flexi rod starting from the top to the bottom. Now honestly, I'm going in with a lighter gel versus a more of a harder gel, because I noticed when I use hard gels on a flexi rod, it just makes my hair crunchy. So you want to go in with a gel that's very lightweight so that you don't get a crunch factor. And then that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like when all the flexi rods are in my hair. And then I went ahead and sat under my hooded dryer and let that dry for about an hour. So next I'm just going to simply open the flexi rods at the top and unravel the flexi rod and my hair out the opposite direction and just let the curls fall, and as you can see they are spiral curls. So here I'm just going to separate the curls just to add a bit more volume to the back of my hair. So I'm simply pulling apart each twist just so I can get, more curls in the back. So next I'm going in with my Eco Style gel and I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my hair and my edges. And the reason why I'm doing this step now is because I didn't want to sit under the hooded dryer with this gel, because it's a heavier gel and it will dry up and harden, and I don't want my hair to harden. So I'm just using it now to lay down my hair and my edges. So I actually had one flexi rod that failed to curl because I curled it the wrong way. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking that piece of hair and I'm just going to wrap it around my ponytail. And I actually like this effect. It kind of finished off the look for me. And then once I finished wrapping it, I just took a bobby pin and I just used that to lock it in place. And that's pretty much it, guys. I decided to switch up my edges because I wasn't feeling them. And there you have a simple curly ponytail using flexi rods. And if you don't have a hooded dryer, you can most definitely leave in the flexi rods overnight or for a couple of hours and you should get the same results. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!